Let's look at the operative construct in today's digital age, which is all about connected customer experiences across touch points. When you put that in conjunction with the overall movements where B2B and B2C is merging and where hyper-personalization is becoming the norm, suddenly the importance of data and importance of all the systems working together to bring out the 360-degree understanding of the customer becomes really, really evident. And in that kind of a situation, any kind of a point solution which brings partial understanding of the customer or automates certain set of processes, doesn't look at the whole picture, misses out on the point. And that's where some of the platforms like Salesforce really come to the fore, because we provide that understanding of the customer along all the components, whether it is sales and service side of it or even within marketing. Various components work together to create that understanding of the customer, which can be leveraged by the marketers for better ROIs, making better marketing decisions using platform. Also, the ease with which we can draw data from various systems and put that in a form that can be leveraged for segmentation or loyalty management. Some of those use cases really help us, and that's why going through a complete MarTech suite makes more sense than having a siloed point solution based approach. So there are 2-3 aspects to it, and I agree. And at this point of time, if you look at the skills or the expertise that are needed to drive those workloads for an organization are composite in nature. You would have folks who are domain experts, you would have skills which are technology centric. You would have a lot of process centric expertise as well. Hosting all those within an organization sometimes is not the most productive way of aligning. Also, the industry benchmarks across those, getting the right access to talent and technology is an important factor. So what we have seen is that most of the customers would ideally like to have an outcome-based approach towards it, work with the experts who bring those technologies, the platforms, the skill sets that are required to be successful in those areas, and not kind of build something from scratch, which is going to be very specific and may or may not keep pace with the innovation that's happening across the industry and across those use cases. So that's something that has been prevalent, and it is not very dissimilar to some of the IT side of things as well, where the access to those kind of skills and expertise kind of benchmarked outside one's own organizational boundaries.